Okay, I'll just show you how to play music from your phone through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Range Rover Autobiography. First of all, we go to music. Look, see there at the bottom, Range Rover. If I click on that, gives you the choices that you can connect your iPhone to at the moment. Range Rover, there's a tick next to, so we'll go back to the track. I'm going to turn it down, click play, and then we head over here to the audio system. The music symbol and the clapperboard, we click on that. I'm going to do it. I'm just going to show you a different way, really, because it was already on Bluetooth, and we don't want it to be already on Bluetooth, because then you'll not know how to do it if it's not. So, right, we'll go back to home. We click play on here. It's got Range Rover on there. So if this is set properly, anything that's playing on my phone will come through the Meridian sound system in this vehicle, and the Meridian sound system is brilliant. So what we do now, we go to the music note and the clapperboard, click on there, and you'll see there auxiliary selected. We don't want auxiliary, we want Bluetooth. So now source plus, and I'll just, again, sometimes you go to source and the plus isn't there, so you have to click source until it's done one function, and then click source again and the plus will be there. So there you go. So it's on auxiliary, I want Bluetooth. There you go. So I'm going to turn this up and then turn this up. That's it. That's how you play music.